Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 325-276-3883.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
What makes us different here at Kelly Grimsley Kia is our customer service. That's our #1 priority. We have a state-of-the-art building. Come check us out.